Hi, I'm going to read my first book of sounds for Wim. What does the kitty say? Meow. What does the dog say? Bow wow. Bow wow. What does the cow say? Moo, moo. The rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. Moo, moo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. What do the chicks say? Peep, peep, peep. What sound does a car horn make? Beep, beep. Here comes Grumps making lots of noise. What sound does a siren make? Woo, woo. A travelling train goes choo, choo, choo. Ooh, ooh. Choo, choo, choo. What do the ducks say? Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. What does the owl say? Hoo, hoo. What do the lambs say? Baa, baa, baa. Who's that laughing? Ha, ha, ha. Ha, 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 ha. What sound does a bell make? Ding dong, ding dong.
Ding dong.
What does the horse say? Neigh, neigh. What do the bees say? Buzz, buzz. What does the snake say? Sss, sss, sss. Hope that didn't scare you. What sound does the clock say? Tick tock, tick tock. A baby is crying. Boo hoo hoo, boo hoo hoo, baby crying. The wind in the trees makes a lovely whoosh. Now let's be very quiet. Shush. See you.